morning students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 14 statistics, subheading median. First write the formula for median. Median L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. L plus n by 2 minus CF. CF means cumulative frequency divided by F into H, where L equal to lower limit of median class, n equal to number of observations, CF equal to cumulative frequency of class preceding the median class. F equal to frequency of median class. H equal to class size. Already we discussed mean and mode. Today discuss median. Median formula L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. Write down the question. Question number 1. The following frequency distribution gives the monthly consumption of electricity of 60 consumers of a locality. Find the median, mean and mode of the data and compare them. Including 3 questions: mean, median and mode. Already discussed mean and mode. Today discuss for median. Okay. Write the table. Monthly consumption in units. Number of consumers 65 to 85 4, 85 to 105 5, 105 to 125 equal to 13, 125 to 145 equal to 20, 145 to 165 14, 165 to 185 14, 165 to 185 8, 185 to 205 4. First find mean. Monthly consumption, write the data. Number of consumers, write the data. Class interval xi, already studied. Xi equal to upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. 65 plus 85 divided by 2 equal to 75. 85 to 105 divided by 2, 95. Up to 185 plus 205 divided by 2 equal to 195. Next, dA equal to xi minus a. Xi minus a. Xi minus a. Here mid of a equal to middle term of xi value. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 values there. Middle value 135. So xi minus 135. 75 minus 135 minus 60. 95 minus 135 minus 40. 115 minus 135 minus 20. 135 minus 135 0. 155 minus 135 20. 175 minus 135 40. 195 minus 135 equal to 60. Next, ui common divide value 20 is there, common, both are divisible of 20. So ui equal to dA divided by 20. ui equal to dA divided by 20. 60 divided by 23, 40 divided by 22, minus 20 divided by 20, minus 1, 20 divided by 21, 40 divided by 22, 60 divided by 23. Next, fi ui. 4 3s are minus 12, 5 into minus 2, minus 10, 13 into minus 1, minus 30, 20 into 0, 0, 14 into 1, 14, 8 2s are 16, 4 3s are 12. Now add summation fi and summation fi ui. Add summation fi value 68, fi ui equal to 7. Now substitute the formula. X bar equal to a plus summation fi ui divided by summation fi into h. Substitute the values. 135 plus 7 by 68 into 20 equal to 137.58. Next find model class. Here see the table, highest frequency 20, so f1 equal to 20, f0 equal to preceding the f1 value 13, f0 succeeding the f1 equal to f2, 14 equal to f2, so f1 equal to 20, f0 equal to 38, f2 equal to 14, f1 nearest f1 value lower limit and upper limit 125 145, so L equal to 125, h value data interval 20, so h equal to 20. Now substitute the formula. L plus f1 minus f0 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. L value 125, f1 value 20, f0 13, 2f1 2 into 20 minus 13 minus 14. Now 125 plus 140 divided by 13. Cut and write 135.76. Next find median. Median formula L plus n by 2 minus Cf divided by f into h. So first find cumulative frequency Cf. Write the data 65 to 85 up to 165 to 185. F value 4, 5, 13, 20, 14, 18, 4. Now Cf means add 1 by 1 frequency. First 4. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 13, 22. 22 plus 20, 42. 42 plus 14, 56. 56 plus 8, 64. 64 plus 4, 68. So cumulative frequency find this method. First 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 13, 22. Up to 64 plus 4, 68. Now n value. N value means 68. N value total. Already question given. N value 68. Cf means preceding of median class. Already median 20. Median value f1. Largest frequency 20. 20 preceding the frequency value. Median class. Preceding Cf means preceding the median class 22. Okay, Cf 22. Now write the formula. L plus n by 2 minus Cf by f into h. L value 125. L value 125. Frequency largest frequency value 20. So lower limit 125. L value 25. N by 2. N value 68. 68 by 2 34. Cf value preceding the median class 22. F value frequency 20 into h data interval 20. 34 minus 12. 12 divided by 20. 20 cut. So 125 plus 12 equal to 137.